If you're a pancake lover like me, you know how frustrating it can be to end up with a pancake that feels very heavy. I mean, who wants to end up with a pancake that feels like a plate of rice? Not me. So guys, today I will be sharing with you the recipe that will guarantee you the fluffiest pancake you have ever tasted. And the good news is that all the ingredients you'll be needing to make this pancake, you already have them in your kitchen. So you see, you want to sit back and relax and let me walk you through how you can make this fluffiest Nigeria pancakes. So please do well to check the description box for the ingredients and measurements. These are also called diets, and trust me when I say this is a perfect quick fix breakfast that you are definitely going to enjoy. There are several recipes of pancakes, but you see this Nigeria style, it's a game changer. Trust me when I say this is my favorite way of making pancakes. So let's dive right into the procedure. What you want to do is incorporate your dry ingredients in a bowl and mix everything together. Like I said earlier, do well to check the description box for the correct ingredients and measurements. So once you have all your dry ingredients in a bowl, just use your whisk to mix everything together perfectly. Now once that is done, you want to proceed to mix your wet ingredients. You will start off with your eggs. I'm using 2 eggs. Now give that a good mix before adding any other ingredients. Just use your whisk to beat your egg a bit. Now add in your veggies. You can use absolutely any veggies of your choice. I used carrots, spring onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, which you also know as atarodo, and also I used some green bell peppers as well. So feel free to use any veggies of your choice. Now I added my sugar into my wet ingredients. I also proceed to add my water and my melted margarine. You can either use your vegetable oil or your melted margarine or butter. Now give this a good mix and introduce your dry ingredients. Now for this recipe, I'm using 2.5 cups of water, but I will be adding the water bit by bit. Okay, I already added 1 cup initially, so I'm going to add more water. I've added my dry ingredients. Now I'm just going to mix this. You can see that this is looking very thick, so I'm still going to add more water. So after adding more water, I'm just going to continue mixing. You want to mix till there's no lump in your mixture. Okay, now if this consistency is too thick for you, you can add more water. So I don't want my pancake batter to be too runny. This consistency is just fine for me. Once that is done, you want to proceed to frying your pancakes. Now grease your pan with a little bit of vegetable oil or melted butter. You want to do this on a very low heat. Okay, I'm using a very low heat. After greasing my pan, I'm going to scoop my pancake batter into my pan. You allow this to cook. Now you know your pancake is ready when you begin to see those bubbles at the top of your pancake. What you want to do is flip your pancake over. Okay, just flip it over for the other side to cook. I'm going to repeat this step for a better understanding. Don't be in a hurry to flip your pancake. I almost messed that up, so don't be like me. Do this very gently. And using your spatula, you want to press down your pancake a bit so that it will perfectly cook through, especially if your pancake batter is a bit of a thicker consistency like mine. Okay, now this cooking process should take you nothing less than 3 to 4 minutes. Once that is done, you remove it from your pan and repeat the process, of which I'm going to be repeating the process so you can have a better understanding on how to go about the cooking process of your pancake. If you've watched up to this moment, thank you so much. Please don't forget to drop a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. I bring to your screen amazing cooking and baking recipes, so do well to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. I'm going to enjoy my pancakes with some scrambled eggs and some hot chocolate. Perfect breakfast, right? The moment of truth, guys. This is our fluffy, yummy, delicious pancake. Like, take a look at this pancake. It is so fluffy. This is the fluffiest pancake you will ever taste if you follow this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.